If you like this, then I'll come back and get into the other homes. There was a mix-up on the showings between days and times with the tenants. So, it's pretty steep. There's no place for a garden. It's in excellent condition. And you get about $1,500 a month. She pays $9, the other pays $6. So that's what the monthly income is. It's a steep driveway. You can see the grade to the land. It's really steep. But if you don't plan on doing it much outside, then it's cute as a bug. And this little single wide right here is part of it. These people have been here a long time. It's got laminate flooring in it. It's in good shape. They pay $600 a month for that. And again, if you like it, I can come back and then we'll ask the people to let us come through their home. The big cabin on the top, there's a single gentleman that rents it right now, but any of them can go at any time if that's what you like. And the gentleman that lives down here in this double wide owns all these properties. So this little cabin right here to the right is one that he's gonna keep. He lives in this one here. Thank you! And out to the main road, which you're just a hop, skip, and a jump to the highway.